The garage is so busy, but we're gonna need to move some cars around, which is kind of normal in my garage because there's not that much space. Today it's raining so bad. Look at that. It's raining so bad. You know, I was hoping to do something with the truck, but there's no way we can do that. I'm gonna put the truck right there, and then I'm moving my wife's car. We're gonna work on the Corvette today. I want to do this for so long, and now it's finally time. Freaking rain. One more car to move. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog game. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe because we have a lot of things stored with that baby right there. I need to get the rocket lights installed, and that's coming soon. Also, I'm having a problem with my antenna. If you're not following my Instagram, make sure to follow my Instagram because you are missing a lot. But today it's all about the Corvette. But by the way, thank you so much for the support with HardWorkForce. You guys are awesome. So if you didn't buy your merch yet, make sure to head to the website. It's linked in the description below, because I'll tell you, we don't have too much left, but you still can be part of it. And also make sure to follow HardWorkForce on the Instagram because more to come. We have hoodies, we have hats, and we have key tags. By the way, I have a PO box now. There's a PO box in the description below. Feel free to send me, stuff. I'll probably do like a mail time thing here on the channel. We'll see how that goes. I want to do this upgrade on the Corvette for so long, but I didn't have a chance to because I was working on the other stuff. So I want to say a big thanks to Oracle Lights. Oracle Lights, they provide a lot of Corvette C6 and C7 stuff. They are the ones that provide me with the side mirrors with LED stripes on it. So thank you so much. We're gonna do an unbox right here, but if you have anything you need for as far as Corvette light goes, they have nice stuff there. And you're gonna see more here on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Today is just the first one, alright? We're gonna work with the side marks. Yeah, I'm replacing my side marks. I tinted all my 4 side markers, and they're still okay. Let me show you. Look, see? There's like almost nothing there. It's like So what we're gonna work with today is the Oracle Concept Side Marker Kit. Again, there's a link on the description below for those. If you have a C6, even if you have a C7, or if you have a truck, they have a lot of lighting stuff. They send me those and I'm so happy with those. So I'm gonna open the box and see what is inside. First of all, it's like the box is really well made, I would say. And inside we have some instructions, and look at that. Look at those side markers though. I'll grab one here so we can take a look at it. Look at those. So you can see the LED stripe on it. It is very simple. It's like a plug and play thing. Just so you guys have an idea how different they are. It's gonna look sick. I cannot wait. So let's put this bad boy on. It's very simple, as I said, a plug and play thing. We're gonna need our plastic too, and for the back we need to remove the tail light. All right, let's plug those bad boys in, and we should be good to go. Just turn the wheel because it makes your job so much easier. And we have those clips right here. Then I normally use those plastic tools, but you can, if you were really careful, you can use a screwdriver. So. Yeah, once you have access to it, it should be really straightforward. It's one of those scared clicks that you get from, but it should be really straightforward. There we go. It's out. The only thing I need to do is unplug the bulb. There we go. Mine was really hard to come out just because I got some dust inside, so Probably if your Corvette's newer than mine, it would be easier. But yeah, so what we need to do is like, it's a plug and play thing. But I'm gonna put it here first. So much better, oh my God. And then just plug. Oh my God, now the test one. Wow, dude, that's so much better. Look at that. That's so nice. Look at it, so bright. Let's see with no lights. Man, that's so nice. Look at the difference between the front one and the back one. The back one you barely can see, look at that. Actually, now I'm gonna do the other side and then we're gonna do the back one. But just to give you guys an idea, I'm gonna turn it off the lights. Look how bright it is, thing. It's so bright. Look, there's nothing else, it's just the side mark. It's so bright. And look, the other one is too stock. You can barely see, look, you can barely see. Look, there's nothing here. You guys gonna see when I put the new one on. Okay, the process is basically the same for the other side. What I like about the Oracle side markers, it's just a plug and play. You don't need to drill, you don't need to wire anything. Even if you need to wire, it would be super easy. I mean, that's why I like it. And that just, dude, changed this car so much. You guys gonna see when I'm done. So I'll do the other side and we're gonna go to the back. The back is a little bit more complicated because you need to, you know, work with the tail lights, which is not a big deal. We can do it. It's easy, right? Side 2 done. Dude, and every time I look at it, I just love more and more. Oh my God. So let me show you with the lights off. Look at that. Look how bright is this thing though. Remember, I should just show you how this side, you didn't have any lights here. Look at this. This is just the side mark. Look at that. You guys gonna see when I put the back one, how it's gonna be that corner right there. Now we're gonna work on the back. The back is a little bit more, not complicated, but you just need to lose this tail light here, and then you're gonna have access to that. Very straightforward. It's just like you lose. And by the way, I have something stored for the tail lights, so you guys better stay tuned for that. So see how easy it is. You guys saw that before, so I'll just put it here, and then you have access to the side marks. And the process is the same. Very straightforward. Out with the old, in with the new. Now tail light back, and that's it. So I'll do the same thing for the other side, and we're gonna see the final. We are done. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys, if you guys didn't watch my last video where we did the gender reveal, I replaced the battery because I was having a hard time. I replaced everything, as you guys can see here. And here everything's brand new battery. You should not have any problem anymore. I forgot to mention that when we started the video, but anyway, just want to make sure you guys are aware of it. We got all the side marks. As you guys can see, it's already looking better. It's gonna look so much better. I like to do those small things though, that they completely change the car. Oh yeah, yeah. It looks so much better. So much better. Ready for the review? Let's do it. All right, here we have it. Look at that, dude. So much better. Look at the. I just love it. Let's see with, you know, when it's dark. That's just the side markers though. Oh my God, so bright. Can you imagine seeing this thing going like down the road at night? It's gonna be awesome, dude. The camera doesn't do it justice, but that's basically what you're gonna see at night. All right, so let me put the lights back on. I really like it. Look at this one. Like completely changed the look out of it. It's like just give that modern looking. That, you know, it's a 12 years old car. It's not gonna be like brand new, but this one changed though. You got it. I wish you guys could see in person. It's so much better. Yeah boys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, huge thank you to Oracle Lighting. Make sure to check their website. There's a link in the description below. They have the side marks available in different colors. I got the black one, but you can color match your Corvette if you want. It's just because with the color team I'm going for, like red and black, that makes sense for me, but you can get yours. You can get any color you want. You can get transparent too. It's up to you. So check their website. There's a link in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Again, give me your support, give a follow on HardWorkForce, and I hope to see you guys next upload. As always, enjoy life.